Okay, look, I get it. Where do I start? How do I start? What do I talk about? Well, let's talk about it. Okay, two things we need to know right off the bat. One, I don't know what I'm doing. Two, I don't even care, right? I'm just here to get something recorded, locked and loaded, on file, so I can start my journey now. I kept telling myself, I've been wanting to do this for months. I kept telling myself, I need this tool, I need this accessory, I need this, I need time, and I need to learn this. But the longer I wait, the longer the process just takes me to get to learning it. And the best way for me to learn it is experience. So I had to jump in and get to it. So this is me jumping in and get to it. Let's learn this stuff together, man. We're here. We locked and loaded. This is my first vlog. Let's get it. My name is Terrence Harden. My friends call me Lucky. Some call me Lucky with the Cam. And this is essentially a beginner's video for beginners. I'm a beginner myself. I'm still learning. Everything there is about videography. I've been in photography for about a year, and I'm just having the time of my life. And now it's time for me to start doing videos and, you know, getting on YouTube and figuring out my footing in that space. So this is what this page is going to be about. I'm glad you're on the journey with me. You're going to see all my mistakes, all my learning do's and don'ts. And yeah, man, we're going to have a good time. We're going to learn the space together. Now look, every plan for these videos won't be this super detailed list of perfect angles, shots, and a full script. To keep it a buck, most of it's gonna be freestyling. I'm gonna just keep it real with you right now, like completely off the top. Now, one may find it to be a mistake, but I think it's very helpful, especially for a rookie like myself, right? Like, it's like finding someone who's in the same boat as you. You're looking for videos that you can find relatable, and finding someone who kind of figured it out on camera in real time in front of you, for me, that's priceless. So that's how we rocking. If you're like me, YouTube University is the school that I attend. But I know how hard it is to watch these super nice videos by some of our biggest influencers, only to find yourself discouraged that your work doesn't look like theirs. Trust me, I know I've been there, but we gotta relax. You know the quote, comparison is the thief of joy. So we gotta chill. But I also feel like that's why videos like this are necessary, to show people they're not alone. Now, so I hope you stick around, man, because we got a lot to learn, a lot to laugh at, and a lot of fun to have. So I'll see you on the next vid. Peace. Yo, I find it crazy that I'm out here in front of people recording outside. Like, this doesn't make my anxiety go to the roof, right? But I got to get over it. So this is me trying to do these videos in front of people, in the public, so I can hurry up and get over it and post more videos. So this is me right now on Ocean Street, Santa Monica, doing my thing. So I'm low-key celebrating too. I made it look like it, but inside I'm dancing like a little schoolgirl. Anyway, peace.